Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a custom domain and email in system.io. Without setting a custom domain, you cannot send any email campaign to the customers or the leads that you have generated. Okay, you cannot use any gmail.com email or Hotmail or Yahoo. So we need to connect a custom domain. So in this video I will guide you through step by step how you can connect your own custom domain. So don't skip any part of this video and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, to connect your custom domain, click on the profile section, then go to the settings. On the settings tab, you have to click on custom domains. Okay, now here we have to connect our custom domain. Log in your domain provider, whether it is Namecheap or Hostinger, whatever you are using. On that, you have to go your domain portfolio. Here I am going to use a subdomain, but the process will be same for the normal domain. Edit the DNS of the domain that you want to set up. Okay. So I am going to use this domain. So click on edit DNS. First you need to delete all the DNS records. So one by one I am just deleting all the records. Okay. Here I have deleted all the DNS records. Now go to the system.io and click on add domains. Before adding a domain, just write www. Now copy your domain and paste here and click on save. After clicking on save, we need to add two DNS record, which is first one is this and second one is this. Just you have to copy this part, copy and add a CNAME record. Click on CNAME. Name should be this and the value is this. Click on add record. First record has been added. Now second, just copy the part before the dot and add a CNAME. Value should be this and click on add record. Okay, now we have added DNS record to add a custom domain. After some time it will be verified and ready to use. Now click on there. Now next we are going to connect our email. Okay, again click here to authenticate your domain. Again you have to just copy and paste the domain and click on save. There we have to update these records in the DNS. So let's do it one by one. The first one is CNAME. Copy and paste. Here you have to copy full part. Now the fourth one is txt record. Copy from there and add record. Now we have successfully added all our DNS record to connect the domain to the email sender. Now click on refresh. Here we have added our domain. Okay, currently it is pending, but after some time it will be verified. Almost 1 hour, after 1 or 2 hours. Okay, after that you have to verify a email address related connected to the main domain. Okay, here I am using a subdomain. Steps will be same for the normal domain. Okay, but before verifying the email address, we have to create a mailbox for the domain. Okay, so click on the emails. Here you can create your free email box. So click on get new email plan. After that click on claim a free email. Here you have to just select your domain name. I have already created that, so here's my domain is not showing. When you are going to create, it will show you. Okay, now click on manage. Here, click on mailboxes, click on mailbox. Now create a mailbox, click on mailbox, name the email and set up the password and click on the create button. Okay, I have already created that, so I'm just going to log in. So here's the mailbox. Now copy the email address, paste here and click on save. Now we have connected. Just we have to verify the domain, verify the email address. Click here, refresh. See, here's the confirmation email. Now click here, click on confirm. Okay, we have successfully confirmed the email address. Back to the point, refresh. As you can see, the email address has been verified, and after some time it turns pending to verified. You can use your email address. As you can see, it is verified now. So that's how we can connect our domain to system.io. Thanks for watching this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.